Hello everyone, and welcome to the webinar and live streaming. Hope you guys are crushing and again, of course, taking the profits that we've been talking about previous week and on Sunday as well. Okay, so as you can see over there in front of us is Aussie Cat, which is doing very nice. So as well, indices are dropping lower. So guys, let me know, did you grab that opportunity? Did you take those cells? There are a lot of cells that are setting up as well. Indices are breaking lower. Okay, indices are as well going down, so that's gonna be a nice move to the downside. Okay, I'm still anticipating these to keep on pushing lower. So if you're not in, wait for what? At least some correction and get in, right? They are all trying to break down. Very good charts. Okay, German already did break lower. Okay, he's one step ahead, we can say. Very good chart. Okay, Aussie Yen, it's nicely breaking. Aussie Cat, sorry, it's nicely breaking lower. We're in this structure, so very good chart. Oops, sorry. Okay, let me just introduce to everyone who is there and who is new over there. I am Christian. I've been trading for 10 years and been active there on TradingView for the last 5 years. The purpose to those webinars that I'm doing over there live on TradingView and live on YouTube is to give you as much knowledge as possible so you can immediately implement that knowledge into your strategy, into your trading, so it will give you immediately some results. Okay, you should see improvements right when you will start implementing into your trading. So make sure you are there and you are learning, okay, that you're just not watching. Those are very powerful webinars. A lot of people are learning. I'm getting a really nice feedback, and that's it. Okay, that's the purpose of the webinar. I'm really happy when I see you guys are improving and learning. Very good, very well. And as you can see, it already pays off. Okay, so we are already making money over there on the Aussie Cat if you do so, and if you understand what I'm saying, what we are talking, what we are watching, then you should be at least in some small profit. Okay, I'm not saying big, but at least some. Okay, if you're risking, let's say $1,000, you should be at least a $500 in the profit, so at least some profit. And there are as well a lot of yen pairs that are setting up, so there you should make already a couple of $1,000. Okay, 2, 3, or 4,000, at least $5,000 should be made on yen pairs already. They are very nice. We are watching this trade to just start breaking lower, because what is the reason? Okay, we are having a sharp breakdown. We are correcting how far this could extend, but no matter what, we will take a sell over there. Okay, those are just tags that I was putting over there. So see this one as well. This one can go another leg lower and then higher, give you a little bit more complicated correction, a bigger one, and then still go lower, or it can drop down. Which one? That's on you. Okay, you have to wait and see and watch the chart. You should not leave it. Okay, just keep your eyes over there. Don't watch too many charts, you will lose your focus as well. And of course over there, you want to see sharp breakdown to the downside. There is the valid impulse here, it's there. We are correcting and we want to see really aggressive moves to the downside. Aussie Yen as well, breaking lower. Okay, so this one it's going down. If you look those two patterns, okay, they are really almost the same, but the difference is this one it's on higher time frame, but this one it's on lower time frame. Okay, we can immediately try to see if there is the similarity. Okay, let's gonna go and grab the similarity. Okay, so what do we have over there? We all should see those similar pattern behavior. Okay, as we know already, that the patterns are always repeating itself. Okay, patterns are there to always repeat itself. Patterns is some in life, it's something what is really really powerful. We have this in everyday life, everyday ritual. You have patterns that are repeating themselves, so we have the same on the market, patterns that are repeating always. So you just have to sit down and study a little bit those patterns, where, how, and why they develops, and then of course you'll be rewarded again, right? So that's the point of trading based on wave analysis. You have to recognize structures, you have to recognize the patterns, and then you will be able to predict the upcoming movement. Why the wave analysis is as well that's so good? Once you master it, once you grab the concept behind this, you will be capable of trading any kind of the market. You will be able to trade Forex, you will be able to trade commodities, you will be able to trade stocks, indexes, futures, whatever. Okay, it really doesn't matter. You can even invest with this. Okay, investing with this knowledge, with this reading of patterns, it's very very rewarding, let's say like that. You will exactly know when it's good price to start buying, and when it's a good price to take your profits from the table, right? So where are you guys? Did you take any profits? Give me yes in chat. Both of you, everyone, let's say, those who are watching me on TradingView, use the live chat. We are here to help you, to support you, to teach you about, and of course those who are watching me on YouTube as well, use the live chat. Give me some yeses if you grab any opportunity that I've been sharing there with you. It doesn't matter if it's the Aussie, if it's the USD, if it's the yen, indices, whatever. Okay, let me know. Give me some proof that you are improving, because if you're not, then we should discuss and see what we should improve. Don't just say, guys, that you are ashamed and you are afraid to use the chat. And of course, you should not feel frustrated. Anyone, okay? Don't feel any frustration. Setups will still be there. We will have a lot of opportunities across the market, so make sure you don't feel any pressure now on trading if you in case miss those opportunities. It could happen sometimes that we miss the move, so nothing bad is this. Okay, we have a new follower, so they are first time here. I can see everything. Okay, so very good. If you're first time there, then you are on the right place. You will learn something. As for the others, I'm always sharing you over there the best setups, the setups that we watch and that we trade inside of the academy. Okay, as you know, I'm the owner of our academy, teaching people how to become traders, and my biggest vision is that I will build up the biggest hedge fund, okay, the best hedge fund, and the next upgraded version of that vision, once we will have that hedge fund, because I'm teaching people how to trade, I will pick the best traders which will be trading money, and we will split the market. So some of the people will, or some of my managers or in my team will trade, for example, Forex, the rest will trade commodities, some of them will trade in the indexes and so on. So it's a big vision, a big future. That's just the small part where we are right now. And one day we will have a really big bang. Okay, so those are the setups that you should watch, and you should be selling it. Let me show you the reasons. Okay, so probably if some of you are there first time, you wasn't on previous weekly market outlooks or previous webinars, we are in these weekly structures or bigger structures that are still pushing lower. Okay, that has to still push lower. If you watch this structure, has to go lower. Nasdaq 100, same there. Okay, it's correcting over there, and these has to go lower. Okay, this is what we are aiming currently. Very nice move, very nice potential. It's over there. The move there, it's similar like this one. We have one correction, and now we are going lower. Okay, we are going lower, and keep selling, right? There is nothing else to say. Just a nice opportunity for sell on your sell stops. You should not sell on running candles. Okay, so there's always a correction which is waiting there for you, so make sure you are enough patient, and of course you don't miss it. Okay, I love corrections. Why I love corrections? Because I have a lot of time to prepare myself, to build some confidence, to set up my risk management, to see how much I'm willing to risk, and of course to relook at the structure to see what is the accuracy from the setup. And we are also discussing inside of the academy where and how correction will end, and then of course where we'll get in. SP500 as well, it's a nice potential. Look at that one, more than amazing setup all the way to the downside. Turn 9, it's our target daily. Okay, if you watch daily, this one's a little bit interested because it can still go for another correction and more downside. Okay, so this can just drop, correct there, and drop back to this turn 9. Okay, so a lot of possibilities exist over there. As you know that we will have a really interested time on the market, so make sure you are educated enough, that you have enough knowledge so you can make money during those times. You should not be worried, you should not be scared about those times which you will face now. That's gonna be a really nice time, a nice volatility will be there, so there's no any option that you will not make money. Okay, there is a really nice opportunity where you can make money, but of course you need proper knowledge and you have to be patient. So if you stick with us, then I can bet on that you will make some money over there on those movements. These movements will be there for until 2025. Okay, until 2025 there will be moves which will stay. So make sure you are trading with us, that you are not trading against us, and that you are sticking with the impulsive movements. Okay, these are the impulsive movements. There is where you'll make money. If you'll trade these corrections, okay, you ain't gonna make any money. Look at that one. Okay, so there is where's no money. Okay, in terms of money, there is no money. Okay, so no money, no money, no money. Okay, so where's the money there? Impulsive movements, this fast and strong money is over there. Look at that one, beautiful money. Okay, so in those ranges, don't try to trade this. There is where you cannot generate profit. and you can even pay the bills with this small volatility over there, which is inside of the corrections. And of course this will be your trades, and of course if you're patient you can have them all. Okay, whole market, it will be on your side, especially if you know what is the direction. Okay, euro yen, it's a little bit weird over there. Why? We have an impulsive movement, that could be the correction, and we will go for another leg higher and then drop, so we will have a little bit bigger correction before this thing will start dropping. So rather not watch euro yen. I don't like it as it stands right now from the current standpoint. This is not what I would love to see. Pound yen is trying to go lower. Okay, so this one can just correct over there. New Zealand yen, same there. Okay, so this could still go for another leg higher, give me the bigger structure, and then going down. Aussie yen, this one is going a little bit faster, earlier, let's say. Okay, but like I said at the beginning of the webinar, those two corrections are almost the same. If you copy them, you will see what the price is trying to do. What I'm doing now and anticipating now that this will break out or break down, let's say like that. It would be really nice. So make sure you keep them on your radar. Okay, your radar should be there. And USDN, I will be waiting over there as well for sharp breakdowns. Okay, I'm having my eyes over there. Would love to see something like this. Okay, this is what I would love to see over there. So we'll keep eye. We'll see what the price is trying to do, and of course I will get into the trade as soon as I will see an option or a nice opportunity that it's forming. And as well over there, I'm currently having sell from there, and I think I'm having one sell from there. So what over there can happen as well, this could go like this, another leg higher, and then still go lower. This will all be just 1, 2 and 3. That's all what we'll have, and it still can go down. Okay, or if you're not sure, I will sell more on the breakdown. Okay, so if this breaks down, I will sell more. Of course you have to keep your stop losses above the correction. Okay, you cannot have it tighter. No tight stop losses over there. And of course this will be the movement. How far? I would love to see this breaking down this structure and going back to this daily bigger higher time frame structure. So keep your eyes over there as well. Chief yen, same there, right? So I'm having my eyes over there on the sharp break to the downside. USD, it's going for this last push to the downside. Okay, I will delete this one. So this is what we've been discussing about on Sunday. Okay, this is going to go down, but it's gonna go for the bigger correction 100%. Okay, this has to correct itself. Okay, so this move has to be corrected. So anytime soon you see a correction and more downside can appear there very fast. And there's the Aussie cat. Okay, Aussie cat we've been discussing about since there. Okay, so if you go back and watch the webinars since 22nd of September, you will see and you will learn definitely. Okay, that's the purpose of it. Okay, you will learn how we find it, how we follow it, and where and how we sell. Okay, it's really good. If this is not for you, okay, if you don't have a time, then you will not learn. So make sure you will sit down and watch the webinar so you can see what we did, and based on that you will know how to follow it, how to trade it, and so on. And of course there was a couple more sells that we've been discussing over there in the morning, and then it just starts pushing lower. Okay, so this is the structure for now. We are going lower and we will keep pushing lower. My target is the trend line, so we are keep holding the cells. First one of my cells is somewhere there, I think, or there's one of my cells, and another cell it's somewhere there, I think. Yeah, something like this. So I'm having two cells now. They are currently running. I still didn't move on break even, so we'll still watch. Mitelius, hi, we have a question. Will DXY ever come down? DXY, it's not ready yet to go down. We've been discussing about this. You should not be selling the dollar right now. Dollar, it's very strong currently. If you watch it over there, I don't see currently the reason to come down. Okay, this could still correct over there and then go more upside, and then it will come down and then still has to come up. So what is the view on there? Yeah, this can just go for the correction and then another leg higher. Okay, this is very possible scenario. I don't see this one yet. Okay, breakdown totally, it's not yet there, and I'm really not anticipating it. Okay, this is nothing. This is what we don't see over there. First we will see the correction and one more leg higher, which was there over there exactly. Okay, so we've been buying over there. Okay, we spot this on time, and it's keep pushing higher, right? So this is what it could do. It could just go for a flat 1 2 3, or if we go in the lower time frame we will see more. This is the 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then 1 2 3, something like this is what we can have, and then another leg higher. And the question about the gold, yes, gold is going down as well. It's in this big structure that I've been mentioning since very long. Okay, so probably you're not there, right? You wasn't there before. You are new probably here. So yeah, we saw this correction and we start selling it, and we are selling it all the time. It's what we do, it just sell, and there is still a sell. Okay, so I don't see any buy opportunity over there on gold, and it still keep on pushing lower. Oh, so if you're new to the stream, then okay, sorry for that, you probably didn't know. Okay, we are keep selling the gold. Reason is this daily. Okay, the daily is the reason, because we are this huge channel. We spot that there was a nice confirmation for more downside, and then we start selling it. Okay, so we sold it somewhere there was one sell and there was another sell. A lot of sells was over there. This is of course another big sell which happened over there, and we are constantly selling it and keep selling it. Okay, so I really see that the gold will come back to that trend line. Okay, I really don't see any buy. There is still strong momentum to the downside, so your focus should be on sell stops. Lower time frame, follow it, every pullback, keep an eye on it, decide what to do, and go for the sell if you feel confident about the setup. Hello everyone. So I see that people are joining right now. Maybe I went live too early. Hello everyone. Open Bitcoin. Yeah, not a problem. Let's have a look on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's going down. It has to go down. Bitcoin has to go down. Again, probably you are as well the new guy over there, new to the stream. So no worry if you are new to the stream. We were discussing about this buy, went for the bigger correction, the same as it did over there, just the bigger option is over there, and we will go down. Bitcoin have to break the low. Okay, so what I see, the break of this low at least. This will be 1 2 3, break the low, and then we may start going to the upside. What will be the reason? This is the daily huge potential over there. Okay, so this is the correction, and I'm seeing this to break those low, and then we will start slowly pushing higher. So only this is the reason why we have to go lower, because I've explained that many times. If we don't break this low right now, then what the price can do, price can just go 1, this will be the 2, and this will be the 3, and then it will go down. So it will not change much. The long-term picture, it still has to go down. Okay, so this move has to appear. Now the question is, will this be a little bit earlier and it will start from there, or it will go for another leg and then lower? Okay, that will be just the, let's say, if we are waiting for buy, we have to wait a little bit longer if this correction will start to develop. If it drops from here, then the buy will be really close. Okay, buy will come really close. So only this will be the reason. The time factor will be the reason, the difference, let's say like that. Okay, big difference will be our time factor. So now we have to see what the price will do. It should drop. Okay, we really want to see the break and break of the previous low. This is the previous low, and then of course we would love to see some reversals from there. Slowly loss of momentum, and then we will start its way to the upside finally. If we don't break it now, you know what to do. It will go for the bigger correction, and then it still has to go lower. So sense of direction, it's very stable. Even correction, it's very familiar to everyone. So did we understand it, guys? Any other questions, guys? So if there are no questions, I will slowly end the webinar. We will still keep an eye on our setups. We ain't gonna move our eyes from those setups. They are very nice, very good setups. So make sure you track them, okay? Track them properly. USDN is still at the top, so that's gonna be a nice chance. Okay, they can even go back at the trend and break all those tops and then still has to go down. Then the view will be a little bit like a DXY. Similar to DXY, sorry. Okay, so hello. So see that people are coming right now on the stream. We have a question. USD Chief also looking good for future short. Yes, I don't know. Let me see. For future short, I really don't see that. That's gonna be too early. USD Chief shorting from there could give you some problems. So don't short it right now, okay? So it's still not ready yet. Leave it. This chart, it's not ready. And I think this could still go lower. This is a complicated structure. This is the 1, 2, 3 in the middle. This is the up. We still have to go down, and then we have to go up, and then we have to go down, and then we'll go up. So this structure can get very complicated. So rather not trade it, because if you're not skilled enough, if you don't know how to trade it, I really don't like you to trade it over there, okay? We are staying away. We know how it will develop, but it's not on our watch list. There are many better pairs to focus on, and we are always isolating, okay? If we see something that's not ready and so on, just leave it. Just leave it. So really don't see any good move on USD Chief in the upcoming days or weeks. Probably it will not be tradable for next 7 days at least. ETH bounce, so no. This is the still same setup as we have on Bitcoin. Same setup as we have on Bitcoin. We have to break that low, okay? So this will still be the setup. This will still be I will delete this one. I don't want to confuse you. So what we are watching over there is a sharp break to the downside, and of course going to tag the low, nicely break it, and then slowly start to reverse. They all have to go up, so nice opportunity will be there. What else could happen? Okay, we have a nice discussion over there as well. If this starts to go up, then we will have a really boring time on ETH, okay, because it can go up and then another leg higher, and that's gonna take up for a few months, and it will go down, still has to come down to break that low, and then what the price will do, it will go up. So there it will be really boring time if we will get that big correction over there. But if it starts to drop down as it's showing right now, that's gonna be very good. Okay, going down, breaking the low, that's gonna be the number one thing. Okay, that's what we all want to see. Break of the previous low will make a big difference, especially in time. You always have to understand the structure and why they are breaking close, what they are doing, how they are developing, how they move, and so on. So put some focus on structures. Structures are very powerful, and if you have a very good knowledge with reading the structures, then you need a strategy, and if you add the strategy relationship to the structures, then you will have a really good returns on your account. Okay, so your profit will grow, you will gaining a lot of money, and so on. So big potential will open there for you, like another dimension will open there for you. So make sure you spend some time learning structures, reading structure, analyzing structures, and so on. Okay, so if there are no more questions, I will end the webinar. So those who were first time there, make sure you will go back and watch the previous recordings. You will definitely improve your knowledge, learn something new, I can bet on that. So take your time and watch it slowly with the understanding, and if there is something that is not clear enough to you, leave a comment under the video and we will discuss it in next live webinar. Okay, I'm doing them quite often, so make sure you grab that knowledge, grab that opportunity of learning. So take care, enjoy your day, feel free to share that webinar with your friend and have a nice discussion about it. So take care and see you. Bye bye.